Hi guys, thanks so much for stopping by today. I have this month's Sew sampler box, so let's dig in. Can't wait to see what we got. Ooh, Tropical Oasis. Okay, let's see what we have here. And this is what tells us what everything is inside here and the prices. Okay, the first item is pineapple quilt block foundation paper. Let me move this box out of the way. You can still kind of see a little bit what's in it. Pineapple quilt block foundation paper, used for foundation paper piecing. Fantastic for scraps and pre-cuts. Creates 6.5 inch unfinished paper piece block. Contains 40 sheets per pad. So they're all the same. I guess that's the pineapple quilt block. Yeah, that's what's on the picture. And let's see. It says even if it's your first time trying foundation paper piecing, you can do this. With straightforward instructions in a small 6.5 inch size, there is no guesswork in creating the classic pineapple quilt block. With 40 sheets, you can make these blocks into any project you choose, including the Mypoints quilt. And there's step-by-step instructions on YouTube at Fat Quarter Shop. And this retails for $7.98. And this says it's a Sew Sampler members receive this item first. That's pretty cool. I would like to try one of those sometime. And then, what is this? This is the Alex Anderson's 4-in-1 Essential Sewing Tool. Four must-have quilting and crafting tools in one. This unique product includes both a flat end presser cap and a pointed wooden cap for finger pressing. Here's the flat end. Here's the pointy end. It also has a super sharp seam ripper and extra long stiletto for fast unsewing. So here's the stiletto end. And there's the cap. This is pretty cool. Okay, and then there's the seam ripper end. That's pretty cool. It's a nice size too. Fits in your hand good. So this retails for $18.98. Pretty cool. And let's see. And yeah, you know, I would always do the fabric last. Let me get the box out of the way. We have a add a quarter 6-inch plus pink ruler. The add a quarter plus ruler is specially designed with a lip to automatically add the customary 1/4 inch seam. Here's the lip here. The add a quarter plus ruler is specially designed with a lip to automatically add the customary 1/4 inch seam allowance to any angle. That is right here. You can see that there. It also provides a straight edge for your rotary cutter. The tapered edge is used as a straight edge for folding the back foundation paper. This ruler will make piecing fast, fun, and easy. This retails for $8.98. There is the packaging. And then we have the Mypoints quilt pattern. That's cute. That goes along with the paper piecing here. So there are the two options. And we have a barn block recipe block number 11. And the Mypoints quilt pattern retails for $9.98. And the Barn Block recipe number 11 retails for $4.98. And we have 2 charm packs. Sun Print 2019 by Allison Glass. Says Sun Print is a modern basic collection with a variety of prints and colors meant to give sewists a paint box of fabrics to choose from when creating. The 2019 Sun Print group includes new designs and new colors. It's a perfect addition to your quilting palette. 100% cotton, 2 5-inch two packs, 5-inch squares, and there's 42 pieces in each, and it retails for $19.96. Okay. Let's pull this up a little bit more. So we have some words. That's cute. More words in black. We've got moth, butterflies, stars, hearts, all kinds of cute little things on there. Seahorse, flowers. There's the print in blue. Word print in green. Super cute. Oh, there's even a little camera on there. A pencil. There is that. That is super cool. I love all these colors. So here is everything. We got two patterns, 2 packs of paper, the ruler, the stiletto, seam ripper, presser, and the foundation paper, quilting paper. Nice assortment there. So that is everything. So I'll have a link down below to the website if you're interested. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.